Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I've got this Range Rover Evoque here. We're doing the rear shock absorbers. As you can see, everything on the side here and this side here have to come off because the bolts are on top here like that, and this one's same as that size here. This is the bolt that hold the whole shock absorber up to the car, so that whole side trim have to come off. And some of the fuses on this side here, if you're looking for fuses, it's on the left hand side rear, the rear fuses and relay box. Alright, just in case you're looking for that. Anyway, just come here. Here's the shock absorber. Everything must come off. Pretty much everything have to come off to fit the new shock absorber of the car. Same on this side here. Everything's got to come off just like that, so we can fit the shock absorber of the car. Alright, it's not as easy job. Some cars are easy, some cars are really hard, but this one here is a bit of a work to get done. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.